Compounds formed by transfer of electrons are called ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are hard and crystalline solids due to strong electrostatic forces. They are polar in nature, soluble in water, but insoluble in nonpolar solvents. They have high melting and boiling points due to strong ionic bonds. They do not conduct electricity in solid state, but conduct in molten or aqueous state. Each ion is surrounded by a definite number of oppositely charged ions. Covalent compounds form by sharing electrons. They have low. They do not conduct electricity. They dissolve in organic solvents. They are soft and volatile. They exist as gases or liquids. Coordinate bonds form this complex. Ligands arrange at specific angles. Their melting points are intermediate. They dissolve best in organic solvents.
Hydrogen bonds form between water molecules. They're stronger than van der Waals but weaker than covalent bonds. This creates high boiling points, keeping water liquid and adds strength to cement concrete. Metal ions are surrounded by a sea of delocalized electrons. This structure creates a characteristic metallic luster. Freely moving electrons make metals excellent conductors. They are also be drawn into wires.
In solids, particles are closely packed in an orderly lattice. Strong intermolecular forces hold them firmly in position, allowing only slight vibrations.
In liquids, molecules are loosely packed, allowing for free movement. Weak forces of attraction mean they constantly slide.
Notice the large spaces between gas molecules and how they move randomly. With weak forces, they bounce off each other, expanding to fill any container.